Hi there, it's Roseanne White from Live Fit, and today I'm going to make a delicious strawberry poppyseed chicken salad for you. Only takes a few simple ingredients, 5 for the chicken salad itself, and 6 ingredients for the dressing. So let's start with the dressing. Our base is going to be Greek yogurt. So you'll first grab a mason jar, and we're going to add a ½ teaspoon of salt, it's a poppy seed dressing, so we've got 1 teaspoon of poppy seed, we're going to be using extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which I'm actually using 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of apple cider, which will be 6 teaspoons. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Natural sweetener, delicious for our immune system and to help my dressing taste yummy. And then the last thing I'll add in here is 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Then we're going to shake this up and put our salad together. See how simple this is? This dressing will make 4 servings. That would mean you're using 2 tablespoons per serving. So easy on that. I'm just take my scooper, and I've got 1 scoop of my Greek yogurt. If you do not like to use dairy at all, you can find a non-dairy yogurt, totally fine. But just make sure it is unflavored. There's some great Silk Almond, Sobe, some great yogurts out there that don't have to be dairy. I've just started using dairy recently again in my, I'll use Greek yogurt, and then I'll also use goat cheese, which is part of this. So we're gonna shake it up, and voila, there you have your dressing. So let's move everything aside. And now in a bowl, I'm going to go ahead and put 4 cups of mixed greens. And I threw a little arugula in here because I kind of like the pepperiness of that. Just 4 handfuls. I've got 4 strawberries that I've hulled and sliced. Spread those around. Beautiful strawberries. Organic, of course. I've got just about a ½ cup of blueberries. High in antioxidants, right? We're going to go ahead, and I actually roasted some chicken yesterday, so this is from 1 chicken breast. I've chopped it all up. Organic roasted chicken. And then I'm going to place on here, this is goat cheese. It's crumbled goat cheese, and serve to your liking. I'm going to put almost about a 1/4 cup of goat cheese on here. Like I said, I don't do a lot of dairy. I'll do feta cheese, try to make goat cheese, and my other dairy is yogurt. And then lastly, if you are not allergic to pecans, toasted pecans, just to give it some crunch. Oh, this looks beautiful. And then my dressing, I'm going to take and shake it up again. And I'm going to put just about, this is a pretty good sized salad, I'm going to put half of this dressing onto the salad. The remainder, I'm going to cover up seal in my mason jar. And I have it for one more salad. So there you have it. Strawberry poppy seed chicken salad. Super simple to make and delicious to eat. I hope you'll try this recipe soon.